for a couple decades now. She's not here at the moment that I know of. She was here earlier. You wouldn't want to get rid of her? Yeah, I know. I know. You think she's funny and entertaining on stream? You should see her when we're not streaming. But yeah, what you missed, Thunder, was somehow we were talking, and she said she's seen videos of people going to sales at like yarn factories, like I know a bunch of different places, mills or whatever, will have like annual or semi-annual sales, and she was like, "Why aren't there any around here?" And I'm like, "Because they don't really have any yarn mills in this area." I said, "I know there's some in different parts of the country. I know there's there's some in North Carolina and wherever." And then she said, "We're going to need to go on a road trip." And then she said, "It would probably be cheaper. Would it be cheaper just to go fly out in the morning, go to this sale, buy everything, and then fly back the same day?" And I'm like, "Yeah, no, no. I'm not flying somewhere just to get yarn. I don't need any more yarn." I do, but I don't want that to be like, I don't want to do it in one day. I don't want to fly somewhere and come back all in one day. Only because I have a shop. Yeah, I don't need any more yarn. Really, really, once we get all of the stuff that we're going to be getting, when it's all said and done, yeah, but there needs to be a ban. There needs to be a ban on getting more yarn. Yes, I'm saying that. That's something I normally wouldn't say. I really want all the other stuff that we're getting to finally get here in case we have more of the same that we've already got. So then I can start making something with it, and I'll be doing it on the stream. It only makes sense when you also have roving. Oh yes, I have the bat that you sent me, and then I've got a little bit of other stuff, and to make my own. And haven't I always told you that need has nothing to do with, yes, I get that, but we're gonna physically run out of space. You can always have never have enough. Okay, Catherine, you have no idea. You have no idea. When we get it all, actually, you know what? I'm gonna have to take a picture what we have now, and then when we get more of this stuff, I'll have to take updated pictures. That's what I'll do. I'll probably take some pictures tonight and I'll put little captions to say what I've had and what we've gotten as donations, and invest in a shed. No. No. Looking at another hobby cup, something I haven't done is matchstick models. Making big. Oh, that would be cool. Wait. Okay. And Blue Raven probably knows this, but Big Ben in London, they're at the Houses of Parliament. Did you know that the clock face, the clock itself, the clock is Big Ben, not the tower. The tower is the Elizabeth Tower. Did you know that? Haven't taken over the basement yet. Well, no, the basement's taken over by something else. Nothing of mine. Well, there are games, and then